Hey guys, I hope you all good, man. I'm back again here with another video. Man, last week was pretty nice. I had a great week. And I actually want to talk to you about one of my students, man. His name is Collins, man. The guy did something really crazy last week. Like, he took $4 to $74 in less than a day. And this is off of the free contents that I have on YouTube. Really crazy, man. Collins, I mean, just skip it up, man. This is making me so proud of like all the contents that I'm putting out. And I feel like anyone can do this, really. Anyone can do this. I mean, just get your mindset right. And in this video, I'm actually going to show you how you could have done something like this, something similar to this as well, or even better, than this. Because I mean, you I keep telling you guys, there isn't a small account or a big account in this market. Like, you can really do anything. Like, you can take $2, bro. I've taken $2 to $50, and here's my student Collins, who just took 4 to 74 in just a day. Like, he kept sending me the screenshots in my DMs, and it was just amazing, man. So I just want to congratulate Collins on doing such an amazing job. And in this video, I'm actually going to show you how you who's watching can do this as well. Okay, so I'm actually going to jump on the chart right now. I'm actually going to break down V75, everything that happened last week, like the opportunities that you could have capitalized on last week, okay, in order for you to do something similar to what Collins did. Okay, so we on V75 right now. As you can see, the overall trend here is down, okay, because market is making lower high. I mean, you guys get the gist. Like, if you watch my videos, I have videos on all of the market structure and like what I look for. Okay, so just make sure to watch my videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That way a lot more people see this, because I feel like these contents that I put out can really help somebody. Okay, so please do not forget to like and subscribe, and that way the algorithm actually works in my favor. All right, so bam, let me put a line here to separate the week. Okay, so session break. All right, cool. So now I'm actually gonna put this, okay, and then that's just to say this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, blah blah, all the way. This is Sunday, and no, I mean this was Sunday, and this is Monday again. Okay, so this is the new week. So the week ended right here. Okay, boom. Okay, so now let me take this session break candle out. Okay, boom. So bam, we had this breaker structure right here. Okay, this was the recent breaker structure we had, and institutional candle responsible for that break was this guy right here. Okay, and in here we had a round number. I mean, we have a line of sensitivity, but this line of sensitivity was actually for 700,000 level. Okay, boom. So damn, so boom, we got that. Okay, and this was the beginning of the week. Okay, so as you can see right now, is that this move up is a mitigation over overall trend, as a mitigation back to this point of interest. Okay, so if, like I always tell my students, like, if you find a setup and a mitigation, take it, but just know that it's long term, because usually what they like to do is things like this. You see, this is a liquidation zone. Okay, if you cap this like this, see that market is just playing around the zone here to get liquidation in order for them to give you the right move. Okay, the real move. So yeah, so if you find confirmation in your liquidation movement, you can take that, but just make sure that it just has to be scalping opportunities. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, you can see that, I mean, here there was a breaker structure. Okay, broke structure, and then price just starting to play in the zone right here. Okay, so this can also be tradable. Okay, so how do you trade something like that? How do you trade the liquidation? Okay, this one is actually pretty simple. Okay, if you go to the 1 hour, all right, if I go to the 1 hour real quick, you can see that by this touch right here, but these touch right here, you could have already identified what's going on. Okay, but that comes with experience. That's why it's very important to back test and, you know, to just test your strategy and see what the market does. Like, I can tell you these things, but if you don't believe this is how the market moves, like, you're just gonna start doubting the opportunities. Okay, so bam. So I had a breaker structure right here. Price mitigated back to this order block. Okay, and if you go to the lower time frame, like, I have an entry called the HRE, which is the high reward entry. It's a entry strategy that's in my course. That's actually the entry type that you use for flipping small accounts. Okay, so bam, check this. Bam, price went down here, got into our point of interest, and then boom, you bought. All right, target could have been this point high. Okay, so if you had entered right here, okay, and then your stop loss could probably be something like this. That's like $33.5 with the minimum lot size, and then you would have made about $17. Okay, bam, $17. Then what happened here? There was another breaker structure. Okay, sorry, there was another breaker structure right here. Okay, area responsible for that break, I'd say, is this. Okay, in this case, price actually really went inside of our point of interest. It actually trapped some people somewhere here, but like I said, if you go down in time frame, you can find entry confirmation here. Okay, and then bam, you bought. My student actually know what kind of how they could have taken this trade. Okay, bam. So your risk is probably like $5.5, and your TP is another $15. Okay, so you just made 17 here, another 15 here, and then obviously now price actually we were now at the round number, the line of sensitivity. Price touched this upper zone right here. Okay, you could have sold here as well, but this is, I don't really sell like this. This is a counter trend for me. Okay, I'll wait for something a lot more something that I understand in order for me to sell this. And then prices dropped and then broke out of the zone and then fell to this area right here. And while this is happening, you can go to the lower time frame, like the M15, to find structure. Okay, to find breaker structure, candle responsible for the break, and then you can sell this price action as well. Okay, but price fell all the way down to this order block right here. I was honestly expecting price to actually drop to, let me just go to a 4 hour to show you what my analysis was about. Okay, come on. Okay, cool. So now I was expecting price to actually fall all the way down to this order block before I could even start thinking of buying, but that did not happen. Price just stopped at the H1 order block and then reacted to the 1 hour order block, and then went all the way to my H4 point of interest. Okay, so if you had taken that trade, I mean, for the sake of making this video short, I'm not gonna go into like the entry strategy. Like, if you watch my previous videos, YouTube videos, you will see the few my entry strategies, but they're all in the course as well. Okay, guys, so bam. Price got my point of interest. Okay, I would have taken this trade, no problem. Okay, really no problem. It's no stress. Okay, bam, I would have actually targeted this as my point, as my final TP. Okay, and then the risk here probably would have been like $4, and then the reward is $44. Okay, so you see now the accounts where you could have maybe started with $10, you just made 17, 14, and then here you made 43. By the time it's here already, you know that from here you're looking for a selling opportunity. Okay, and you sell. I could have sell from this point high right here. Okay, I could have found an opportunity, my entry somewhere around here. Okay, bam, and I was going to target this low right here. Okay, sorry, this low, it's like $89 with the minimum lot size. But like now, since you started here with $10 and then you just made 15, 17, but like your account is right like at 100 and something. So here you can decide to open like a reasonable lot size. That way, when market drops like this, you probably make like $500, and then boom, you did that. Boom, you made $500. But listen, you started here with 10. Here you were like 100 and something, and then when price drops like this, you're already at $700. That's actually why I say that it's not impossible to trade with a small account. Like, it just depends on what you do. It just depends on your confidence and how much experience you have in the market. But it's very, 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 very doable. You can trade a $1 account even with the volatility indexes. Okay, so yeah, this is it for this video, guys. I hope this was very very informative. Like, if you not getting a lot of insight out of this video, that's because I'm actually trying to protect my information, because I feel like I've given a lot for free. So now, you know, I mean, the course is there. The course is really cheap. Like, this is the cheapest course you can have right now with the information that I have. This course is really cheap. So like, and it's only $150. Like, and I'm telling you, if you join the free Discord, you can make the money for the course. Then you buy the course. Understand? You don't automatically just have to spend your hard-earned money. Just come in the free Discord. Take advantage of the free contents that I have out, and then use that. Use the free information that I have out to actually build up an account, and then you get to a reasonable amount. Then you can buy the course, or you can just buy the course. Understand? But I'm not trying to say that, oh, listen, I don't want to shove it down your throat like, oh yeah, listen, buy my course, I mean, yeah, buy the course because you want to learn something new, but I'm not forcing you to buy the course. I don't even need you to buy the course, you know, because I'm already profitable, understand? So I'm doing this to really help, because like, this course is very cheap. It's like $150, but I could have priced it a lot more, because I'm making a bunch of money out of the information that I know. So if you're still doubtful, no problem. Like, we'll keep making the money. Just join the free Discord to see what really what I'm all about. And people are making money there, man. So just take advantage of that. Join the free Discord, make some money off the Discord, then buy the course. And then what's really interesting about the course is that at the end of the course, you get a one-on-one call with me, a 1 hour one-on-one call with me, so you can ask all the questions, like anything that you want to ask for an hour. That's actually gonna help you also, like, with your confidence, and I can share, you know, some of my tips and like what I really do to keep my psychology on point, you understand? So yeah, this is it for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you get the videos first, you know. And also, if you like, it helps the channel grow, and it helps the channel be a lot more out there, you know, to help a lot more people to discover the channel. Okay, so if you do that for me, it will be very much appreciated. And thanks again for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Have a profitable week, everyone. Cheers.